In the third video of this series, we will explain how the data is extracted from Excel and how the data-driven functionality is implemented using data providers. We have to define a data provider in a test class. In our example, this data provider is named testData. The data provider will be called from test method, and the method will be passed as a parameter. This data provider will call the getDataFromDataProvider main method of executeTestMain class. The method name and test case and data Excel file name will be passed as arguments. This method will return the variables as an object array, and data provider will return this to the test class. GetDataFromDataProvider main method of executeTestMain class will get method name and Excel file name as arguments. We have named the Excel sheet name as same as the method name, so this will give us the sheet name too. This method will read the data from the Excel file. It will take the row count of a worksheet. For columns with iterative data, the number of columns will be the total number of columns, -4, since first 4 columns are the test case, keyword, object and object types columns. The object array will be created of the size of data row count and data column count. Then for the first data row, the data items of each column will be taken from second row onwards. This will be the data for the first iteration. The object array will be filled with data with number of rows equal to the number of iterations in the Excel sheet. When a test method is provided with the data provider, TestNG will automatically iterate the test to the number of rows in a data array. That way we can achieve the data-driven capability. You will get the hang of this when you watch the execution demo in this video series.